Hey, hope you are doing good. Welcome to the Bizistech channel. Today the topic under discussion is what is trademark and what are the types of trademark. Trademark is basically identification of the products. It's not the product itself. It's basically source of the product. It's how customer recognize you in the market and distinguish you from your competitors. Trademark is basically a number assigned by the government to protect your intellectual property against a mark, and with that mark you will be recognized in the market. So the next question is, what are the benefits of trademark? The main benefit of trademark is it protects you from unauthorized sellers. And if we said why trademark is important, if you have a registered trademark and you are making a brand identity, brand awareness, and building a customer loyalty, then with a mark, and none other than you can use that mark to sell their goods. But if you don't have a trademark registered and building a brand identity with that mark, and any other seller come and register that mark with him, then he can bound you for using that trademark number, and all your investment related to making a brand awareness, brand identity, and advertisement will be waste. So it is important to have trademark registered before you are going to invest any money, or before you are going to make a brand awareness. So the next question is, what can be registered as a trademark? You can register anything like a design, a logo, a symbol, a word, or in some cases we have seen that sound and even smell has registered as a trademark. But the next question is, why trademark registration is needed for Amazon, as we work in Amazon and work for Amazon Seller Central. So the question is, why trademark registration is needed for Amazon? Basically in Amazon we need a brand registry to make a brand awareness and brand identity. So for a brand registry we need a trademark number. So for that brand registry we register a trademark, and then with that number we do a brand registry. So the next question is, what are the types of trademark? There are many types of trademark like generic mark, word mark, but here we will talk about only two types of trademark which purely related to Amazon. The one is the word mark and the other is the design mark. Word mark applies if you want to register a word which is in any particular font, size, or style, then you will register as a word mark. But if you want to register a mark which consists of different styles and different colors, then you will register a design mark. But there are other two conditions as well. If you want to register a logo which is in a picture form, which you can say a figurative mark, or you want to register a mark which consists of logo plus words, which we can say that figurative mark with letter. In these two conditions you will select a design mark as well. If you can see on the slide, I have given the example of word mark and design mark. Here you can see the word mark example. Amazon is written in simple one font and one color. This is the example, a perfect example of word mark. And if we talk about the examples of design mark, the first one is Amazon Prime. If we see that both are written in the different colors, different font styles, different sizes, so it can be registered as a design mark. And the second example is if we want to register only a logo, which we can see a Amazon logo, it will also register in a design mark. And the third one which will be registered in a design mark is figurative mark with the logo. Like if you see that Amazon is written and in the down arrow is representing Amazon logo. So let's move to the amazon.com and see how it appears when we want to register a trademark. Amazon.com, and then let's search out meat thermometer, and let's open up our two competitors. One is that, and second one is that. If we see the details and go down, we can see the mark. They have registered with the columnar, and the columnar is written in the simple one font and one style and one color. It is a perfect example of word mark. While if we see the example of Thermopro and see about the mark of Thermopro with which it's registered, you can see that Thermo and Pro both are written in the different font styles and different colors, and also they have used a logo, and O of thermo they have represented with a file. So they have used a design mark to register their logo. So these two are the perfect example that how word mark or design mark will appear on the Amazon. I hope your question regarding trademark will be clear now. In the next video we will talk about how we can register a trademark. So keep tuning Bizistech channel for more videos. Thanks for watching Bizistech. Please like, subscribe and share, and keep watching Bizistech channel.